Now to begin with the drawing of 2-point perspective, first of all I am considering this corner. Okay, this corner I am drawing a straight line towards the ground level. Okay, this is the straight line, and here somewhere I'm defining the ground level. Okay, now I'm taking the station point at say about 1 2 3 4 centimeter away from the object. So from 4 centimeter away I am defining a station point SP. Okay, so this is the station point. Okay, now I am defining the eye level. For defining the eye level, I am taking 5 centimeter above the ground. Okay, so from here I am taking 5 centimeter above the ground, and here comes the eye level. Just like the 1-point perspective, in 2-point perspective we have to take the vanishing point at the eye level itself. Now in this, one more thing you have to note, that how to define or get the vanishing point in this drawing. It is bit different compared to the 1-point perspective. So for getting the vanishing point, first of all you have to draw parallel lines to this and this surface from SP. That means from station point I have to draw a line parallel to this line and intersect that line with this picture plane. And in the same way, on left hand side I have to draw a parallel line to this surface and start and get the intersection point from this station point to this picture plane. So now you will see that I am taking a parallel line using a set square. As you can see, this is the parallel line I am taking, and from here station point I am drawing a line, and in the similar way I am taking parallel line to this surface. I am taking a line originating from station point intersecting to the picture plane. So these 2 points I get, I am calling this VP small l and this as VP capital L, capital small r, sorry, vanishing point left, but I am taking it as smaller alphabet, and here I am taking VP small r. Now from this 2 point on the picture plane I have to take a vertical projection on this eye level. So I will get the vanishing point on left and vanishing point on the right. So I am taking a vertical projection from this VP L on this point. I get VP L, vanishing point on the left, and in the similar way I get vanishing point on the right. Okay, so this is VPL and VPR. So now just like the 1-point perspective, I have to draw the projection joining from all the corners to station point and get the projection points on the picture plane, and then I'll take the vertical projection from the picture plane to the ground level. So this is point number 1. As you can see, this corner is on the picture plane itself, so its projection is the vertical line. Always remember in case of 2-point perspective that the objects that are on picture plane, that means the component of object that is touching this picture plane, will be observed in its actual dimension, and the objects away from the picture plane will be reduced in size. That means this will be having the actual height in the original the created perspective drawing, and these 3 points will have reduced dimension compared to the actual size. So, as per this law, this is the ground level. From ground level, I am taking a actual height of this corner and marking it on this line, vertical line. So, actual height is 3 centimeter. I am marking it as the actual dimension, and I am drawing it a darker line to the ground. So, this is the top corner of my object. Okay. Now, in the similar way, these projection lines that I got from the picture plane, I am taking it vertically downward in this fashion. Same way, another corner. And same way the third corner. So, now I have got all the corners. These are the 4 points, 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4 projection lines. Now I will start drawing the perspective drawing. So, for that, the first thing is I have to join the lowermost corner with VPR, that is this. So, I am joining it up to this corner. I am joining the line up to this corner. This is the lower surface. Same way, the right angle to this, I will have to join these 2 points. Okay. So, I am joining it in this way. Same way for upper side, I am joining it. Every parallel lines will meet at single point. These 2 are parallel lines, they are meeting at VPR. Same way, these 2 on this side, upper and lower surface, they are parallel lines. So, they will also meet at the common vanishing point. So, I am drawing it this way up to this line, this corner line. Then I will vertically join okay. In the same way, the upper side, these 2 lines are parallel. These 2, they will also meet the same vanishing point. In the similar fashion, these 2 lines are parallel, so they will meet the same vanishing point, that is VPR. So, with this, my perspective drawing is completed. You can visualize it. As I said earlier, these 2 are perpendicular lines, they are meeting the opposite vanishing point. these two are parallel lines, they are meeting at the same vanishing point. Same way these two are parallel lines, they are meeting at same vanishing point. So, and this corner, that is this particular corner is touching the picture plane, and so it is seen in the actual dimension. As you see, I have marked the actual dimension, whereas these other sides they are in reduced dimensions because they are away from the picture plane. If you are nearer compared to the picture plane to the station point, then you will see an enlarged image. If you are away from the picture plane, you will see a reduced image, and if you are on the picture plane, then your actual dimensions will be seen in the perspective drawing. I hope this is clear. Try to practice it yourself. Perspective drawing, in order to learn this drawing, I strongly recommend that you should practice it yourself. It cannot be learned by seeing the video, or it cannot be learned by just getting the or mugging the steps, but it can only be learned by practicing it yourself. So please draw it yourself and upload the photo of the same in the Teams, and let me know if you find any difficulty. So that's all for today. Thank you.